In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a website on Namecheap cPanel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your files and how to get your site live without touching any complicated settings or code. We'll keep things simple and move step by step so you can follow along, even if this is your first time using cPanel. First, you'll need to log into your cPanel account provided by your hosting. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main cPanel dashboard with lots of icons and sections. Don't worry about most of them right now. We're only going to use what we actually need to get your website online. On the cPanel home screen, look for the section labeled Files. This is where all the tools related to managing your website files are grouped. Within that section, find and click on File Manager. File Manager is basically your online file explorer. It lets you see, upload, move, and edit the files that make up your website directly on the server. When File Manager opens, you'll see a layout with folders and files, usually split into a left sidebar with folder names and a main area showing what's inside the selected folder. What we care about here is the folder that stores the files for your main domain. On the left sidebar, look for a folder called Public HTML. This is the root folder for your main website. Any files you want to appear when someone visits your domain need to be placed inside this Public HTML folder. Go ahead and click on Public HTML to open it. If this is a brand new hosting account, the folder might be almost empty, or it might contain a few default files like a placeholder page. That's normal. Before you upload anything, make sure you're definitely inside the Public HTML folder. You can usually confirm this by checking the folder path at the top of File Manager. It should end with Public HTML. Uploading in the wrong place is one of the most common mistakes people make, so it's worth double checking. Now you're ready to upload your website. At the top of the File Manager window, you'll see a toolbar. Click the Upload button. This opens a new tab or window where you can add your files. The easiest way is to upload a single .zip file that contains your entire website, all your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and any other assets. You can either drag and drop your .zip file into the upload area or click the Select File button to browse your computer and choose it. Once you do that, you'll see a progress bar showing the upload status. Wait for it to reach 100% and make sure the upload is complete before you move on. When the upload finishes, go back to the File Manager tab where you had the Public HTML folder open. You should now see your .zip file listed there. Select the .zip file by clicking on it once, then look at the top toolbar again. Click the Extract option. This will open a small pop-up asking where to extract the contents. The path should already point to the Public HTML folder. Confirm the extraction. After extraction is done, you'll see a list of all your website files and folders inside Public HTML. If everything looks good, your website files are now in the right place. At this point, you can visit your domain in a browser and your uploaded site should load from the